Good day traders, welcome to the Forex Bolt Trading Academy. In today's video we will be looking at the US oil, the WTI versus the US dollar. And before we get started, I would like to remind you that information in this video is only for educational purpose and should not be considered as the financial advice. Guys, don't forget to click subscribe button, notification bell to follow the videos that we post every single day. And let's get started with the analysis of the US oil. The trend has been bullish since the beginning of November, when price bottomed out at $33.6, and it has been going up consistently and has reached the top at $49.28. What we see right now is the bearish divergence on the CCI Commodity Channel Index Oscillator. So this goes to show that there could be a correctional move down or a trend reversal, yet to be confirmed of course, but the correction seems to be taking place. This is because not only of the bearish divergence, but also price broke below the simple uptrend trend line, the support trend line, then corrected up, rejected 20 exponential moving average, and rejected the 61.8 Fips at $48. So this could be that beginning of the downtrend. Although the price is likely to consolidate, it will not start immediately. We see also that we have a new Fibonacci cycle started just recently, when the price actually rejected the Fibonacci 61.8 Fips resistance level. So the Fibonacci I have applied to this correction. So this is the Fibonacci cycle indicator. After price broke this resistance, previously formed resistance got broken, so I used this correction to apply Fips. Not only applied Fibonacci cycles, but a simple Fibonacci indicator as well. We will get back to it in a second. So here we have cycles. We have a bearish cycle, bearish, bearish. All of them got broken and price continued to go up. I think what might be happening is there will be a retest of this Fibonacci resistance. Maybe price will go even slightly higher, but the most important is that the price will remain below $49.28, and if that will be the case, it is highly likely that the correction will take place towards the next Fibonacci cycle, which will be sometime in the first or the second week of January. I would expect now a consolidation for a week, probably until Monday or Tuesday, and only then we might be seeing the beginning of the trend, because now many traders would have entered short at this stage, and now market is likely to consolidate, scare them out, and potentially go slightly above this high and only then go down. So expect consolidation all in all for the US oil, and maybe next week there will be this good opportunity. So waiting now, and next week, as long as this resistance holds, there should be this opportunity for sellers. I think it could be even something like that. So price could be returning towards this area and only then moving down. So I would expect something like that. That would be ideal scenario. Nonetheless, currently price is rejecting the trend line, which is acting as the resistance, along with the 20 exponential moving average. So there could be two scenarios. Either price will go up right away, or it will be consolidating for 3, 4, 5 days before it goes down. So I think the best case would be to wait and see the price action for some consolidation, or at least the break below this low, then correction, then maybe there will be this opportunity. In regards to the downside support or downside target, as I said, I have applied Fips to this correction after price broke the previously made resistance, key resistance, and we have 78.6 Fips at $42.4. And this is the level of interest for buyers from what it seems, because it also confirmed by 88.6 Fips. Now let's move to the daily time frame. Well, here I have also used previous correction before the price went up quite sharply. And what we see is the 88.6 also corresponding to $42.4. This is the price of interest, and you can see the Fibonacci cycle, next Fibonacci cycle could be sometime at the beginning of the January. All in all, we are rejecting the 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart, which means that the consolidation is likely to take place. but lower time frame shows us that the bearish pressure could be increasing and we might be finally seeing some sort of downtrend very soon. While I do expect a correction, it's best to wait and see. The best price would be offered near the top. I think it could potentially be testing $49 area once again because it's psychological resistance and only then going down. But we need also to see that the daily close will remain below this resistance where Fibonacci got rejected. So it's getting very interesting on the US oil. I will follow it on and we will see how it goes. But now maybe price will go up to correct, or maybe it will start going down, depending what will be happening right now to this trend line and the moving average, and to see where will be the closing price of this 4-hour candle also will be important. Right, let's get back to previously made analysis. Yet again, Australian dollar, the trend is up, it's bullish. Maybe finally we will see a big move towards the end of the year before it closes. Also, Christmas is coming and there will be some holidays before that. I think the volatility might be increasing substantially, but on the other hand, people are going on holidays, maybe it will decrease, who knows. But I think there is a potential for fast move for the Australian versus the dollar. Pound dollar slowly but steadily rising, but still it's kind of consolidating. There is no massive moves, although the trend is clearly bullish on the daily time frame. So still expecting price to get towards one of the resistance. What I think, guys, this is the pound strength rather than the dollar weakness, but could be both as well. Pound, Australian dollar, expecting also a very strong pound. As we can see, correction took place. Now I think it's time to start for the trend, the beginning of the trend. And from this point onwards, I do think there will be a good rally. The euro dollar, as I said, I don't like this rejection that has occurred yesterday, clean bounce of the fibs that I had previously. Although to confirm the further correction, we need to have a daily break and close below this support. As long as price stays above, the trend is bullish. But nonetheless, this is the area of danger, which might result in the correction. And I think this could be the dollar strength, which will be driving this pair. And all in all, the euro seems quite strong. It could be that the dollar is just stronger, which might result in the correction. But at the same time, guys, maybe there will be this consolidation between this resistance at 122.60 and the support at 121.30. So I think there will be the case consolidation between these two areas. Maybe at the beginning of the cycle, we will see some sort of move. We need to see the break either above this resistance yet again or this support. Canadian Swiss franc support is holding, trendline rejected cleanly, so expecting the move to the upside. At this pair, we have the driving currency. I think it will be the Swiss franc, which is weak across the board. And we analyze multiple other Swiss franc pairs. Also, this pair seems to be moving against the Swiss franc. Australia and New Zealand, sideways move, but kind of rising. So here we got rejected the top of the extended descending channel. So might be the correction down, maybe not. But last time we got rejected, the channel was at 1.0630. So maybe price will attempt to break below this support correction, and then at the beginning of the next cycle, which is the 25th of December, basically after the Christmas, we might be starting to see the continuation of the uptrend. But who knows, maybe it will go ballistic today. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, as expected, is going down towards the expected support. So this is yet again a Swiss franc weakness that is driving this pair. I would expect price to hit one of the support mentioned previously, and maybe this will occur even as soon as this or next week. Australian Swiss franc also extremely bullish on that one. Quite a good daily bullish candle. The support continues to be respected. So yeah, it's an uptrend, and valid uptrend, and could be getting very strong. So Australian dollar up, Swiss franc down. This could be a very, very strong uptrend, because we on the Australian dollar, we have uptrend Australian dollar, we have uptrend on the Australian New Zealand dollar, and we have uptrend on the Australian Swiss franc. In regards to the Swiss franc, we have Swiss franc weakness on the CAD Swiss, we have Swiss franc weakness on the Swiss franc Japanese yen, and we have Swiss franc weakness on the euro Swiss franc as well as the pound Swiss franc. So this could be quite a rally for this currency pair. Speaking of the Swiss franc, we still have two pairs. We have the euro Swiss franc, which is also very, very bullish. So today we see a very good green candle, strong bullish candle. And maybe this is the beginning of the rally, who knows? It certainly seems so that the price is about to go ballistic towards 1.1 key psychological resistance confirmed by two other Fibonacci retracement levels. And finally, pound Swiss franc, also very bullish. It could be outperforming other Swiss franc pairs because the pound itself also very strong, and maybe there will be a very big rally on this currency pair. From the current price, we are yet to go nearly 500 pips towards the resistance at 124.60 area. So this could be a very big move throughout this week and maybe next week. Gold is still expecting the downtrend as long as this resistance holds. So watching with you guys together, will update you every day what is happening. For now, just expecting the continuation of the downtrend. This could have been ABC correction, then down. Break above will confirm that there is yet another wave to the upside, and this is not ABC, but in fact it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then correction and then continuation of the uptrend. So waiting to see what will be happening. Pound New Zealand, it's moving up as expected, although it's yet again facing the moving average, 50 simple moving average, which is acting as the resistance. Nonetheless, I think it could be getting broken today, or if not, the consolidation will be extended further. Price is likely to stay here. Let's see what will be happening today. On the 4-hour chart, we have this rejection, although the downtrend trend line got broken. So it's kind of sideways move, no clear confirmation of this strong bullish momentum. The US oil, which is analysis of today, guys. If you agree with this analysis, smash the like button and comment down below what you think of the price, how far down it's gonna go. Or if you're bullish, let us know how far up you expect it to go. Don't forget, of course, to subscribe to our channel, to follow all the videos we do every day, including educational videos, market analysis, as well as live trade examples. And later on today, I will be doing analysis for the dollar Swiss franc. So stay tuned and we will be back extremely soon.